Hello and welcome. I am the creator of a game called Money Dash. In this video, I will show you how to create the parallax effect in the simplest way. First, let's import some terrain sprites, divided into layers. Now, let's create a new sprite renderer for every layer. Next, we assign our sprites to the corresponding renderer. Let's change the draw mode of the sprite renderer to tiled. Now, we increase the width of the image, so it will occupy a larger space. Here, we are changing the scale of the layers to fit the screen. Now, we will need to create new sorting layers for our sprites and assign them. As we can see in this test, the background looks really static, so let's apply the parallax effect to make it look like on 3D. The first thing we will do is increase the value of the Z-axis of every layer. As we can see in the scene view, every layer looks further away now. The next step is change the camera projection to perspective and set the FOV axis to horizontal or vertical depending on how will be displayed your game. Now, our layers look smaller than our camera field of view. Let's increase the scale of every layer to fit our camera. is it. Now let's test our parallax effect. As we can see, our background looks like it would do in a 3D world. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.